Let's get into our 5-minute workout for arms and chest. We're going to be on our back with 1 dumbbell in each arm. I'm using 5 pounds today. Gently come back. Knees are bent. A little tuck in those hips, the lower back stays pressed into the floor. We are going to begin with palms facing in. We lift the arms to about chest height. We come out to the side and squeeze back to center for a chest fly. Down and lift, out and in. Important here to keep your shoulders down. We're only here for about a minute. We've got a combination move. So you want to challenge yourself, but certainly not injure yourself. And squeeze. It helps when you put your mind on the muscle, thinking about the muscles that we're working. You're feeling this in the front of the shoulders and in the chest. Let's do a few more. Lower and lift. Out and in. Lower again to the ground. Palms stay facing in. We're going to bicep curl up and then push up. Elbows down. Release the arms back down to the sides. So bicep curl and push. Back down to the chest and straighten. Elbows are on the mat for that bicep curl. Let's go 3 more. Ooh, starting to heat up here. Push up. Now I want you to glue those weights together. Press them together. We drop down. Elbows again maybe touch the mat. We lift up. We then bend the elbows into a skull crusher and lift back up. So the weights stay together the whole time. Lower and lift. Bend just the elbows, so just the forearm is moving. Nice and slow and controlled. Ends of the weights are coming to the forehead. You got it. After this, we sit up. Let's do 1 more. Okay, weights down. Help yourself up to a seated position. Your legs can be crisscross or extended in front, or maybe your back is against the wall if you need the support, whatever you need to do. Or you can even do this in a chair. Palms are facing up this time. We bicep curl. We twist to an overhead press and come back down. Lower, bicep curl up. Twist palms out towards me, overhead. Twist back down to the shoulders. If this is a bit too much, or maybe you've grabbed a weight that's too heavy, do 1 arm at a time. And we're breathing. Well done. Let's get in 2 more. Twist up, twist down. Okay, and for our last move, palms are staying up, elbows in. Take them out to the side. We're going to crisscross. Out to the side, we extend out, and then elbows come back in. Crisscross, extend, and in. Oh my gosh. Packing a lot into this 5 minutes. Again, you can always do 1 arm at a time. Sit up tall. You got this. 2 more. Last one. Out and in. Weights down. Shake it out. Maybe a quick hug to release those muscles. Other side. Open up the chest. And a quick hug. All right, thanks for joining me. Let's move on to the lower body.